How does it feel to be out for 90 days? And you know what? Being out for 90 days, it feels great. However, there's a lot of things that still get me a little angry. Me being behind the eight ball, I feel like there's so many things that I have to catch up on, and it gets frustrating at times. Now that I'm on home confinement, I feel a little bit more pressure, to be honest with you. So I have a rec pass that I put in for, right? I get one a week, and I wanted to do one for this Saturday, which was at the Arlington Improv. And I wanted to do that because I wanted to go see a comedian. You know, it's been years since I've actually been able to just go somewhere chill and watch a comedy show, right? And I'm so excited. They tell me no, that they feel because the place sells alcohol that it's going to be trouble. How do you guys deal with this? Like, what do you guys do? What are your remedies to deal with these frustrations? By myself, and I don't have the distractions, but at times, you know, that shit gets a little lonely, and I'm having to figure out things to do just to pass the time and have fun. This is what the fuck I came out here for. You know, like it's fucked up, but like damn, I'd rather be back in prison. But I know it's just a temporary feeling. Like I would never want to exchange this to go back to prison. No, never. But at times you're just like, damn, money fucked up, trying to navigate all of that stuff in this. What are your remedies to deal with things like this? And appreciate it, man.